Well, you know, seeing this refreshed Land Cruiser 70 next to its ancestors, there's no questioning its loyalty to its roots. It's proud to be raw and utilitarian, and under the revised bodywork, we made just the updates functionally necessary. A new, more efficient engine and transmission, and of course, advanced safety features. Now, if the 70 is the essence of Land Cruiser, then the flagship Land Cruiser 300 is definitely the pinnacle. But so what do you think? Pretty cool? As a member of the development team and a long-term Land Cruiser owner myself, you know, this was a dream come true. We had a chance to reassess every past aspect of the Land Cruiser for its relevance and redesigned it ground up to embody Land Cruiser values for the modern day. It's honest, it's lean and agile, it's fit for purpose. Now let me take you through the 5 key areas that make this model the true soul of Land Cruiser. Number 1, capability. At the heart of this is the GAF platform. Reliability, durability, they're all built in, and performance over rough terrain is on a par with the flagship Land Cruiser 300. This capability is now more practical and accessible than ever. This is the first Land Cruiser to have electric power steering rather than hydraulic. This improves ease and comfort on-road and reduces kickback off-road. Number 2, choice. The powertrain lineup reflects diverse regional requirements. For the first time, this includes a hybrid powertrain in a Land Cruiser. Now, this tried and tested technology increases fuel efficiency as well as performance, with no compromise on durability. It was an extremely difficult task, but it's allowed customers in all corners of the world the chance to participate in the journey toward carbon neutrality. Number 3, intuitive operation. Vehicle control is fundamental to building trust between driver and machine. And we designed the cockpit controls to be easily to identify and operate by feel alone. And here we sought the expertise of Dakar Rally champion Akira Miura, no stranger to driving under pressure in extreme environments. And he told us that it's crucial that the interfaces support the driver with maximum accuracy and minimum effort, whatever the conditions. And that brings me to point number 4. Beauty is function. Every aspect of the design is based on the premise that beauty comes from functionality. Proportions are calculated for maneuverability in extreme environments. The sides are kept slim, the overhang short, and the corners carefully sculpted. The low belt line, narrow A-pillars, and angular structure, they're all designed for visibility and easy, accurate orientation. And customers also reminded us of the importance of damage mitigation and repairability. The high-mounted headlights, they're designed to rise above the debris and, of course, the long savanna grass. The segmented front bumper is designed to be easy to repair. But this objective approach to design and functionality, it's not the whole story. A lot of effort was placed on creating a subjective feeling of trust. For example, the wheel-to-body offset imparts a feeling of strength and stability. It gives the driver confidence in the capability of the vehicle. It has to look the part. Everything in this car has a story and a reason. And finally, number 5. The new Land Cruiser will reach even more people. Yep, that's right. The Land Cruiser is coming back to America. So we went back to the origin, and we came out looking to the future. This Gentenkaiki journey was a soul-searching exercise in many respects. And as a mobility company, we honestly believe that freedom in motion is a universal right, one to be enjoyed by everyone in the world, wherever they live. And the Land Cruiser development, this process reminded us that in many parts of the world, individual mobility is not a luxury, but a lifeline. Our customers trust in us to keep Land Cruiser relevant and thriving toward the future. And this future could mean anything from carbon-neutral approaches to ensuring the Land Cruiser brand is more affordable and within reach of even more people around the world. Or it may even mean exploring new approaches to mobility that enhance not only the Land Cruiser experience, but also further people's freedom in motion. Suffice it to say, there are lots of exciting paths to changing the future of cars. 車の未来を変えていこう. Thank you very much.